Shankara's metaphysical arguments defend Upanishadic propositions claiming that existence is one only, without a second. He follows the general Upanishadic model that all known objects are compounded permutations of a set of primary elements. This is modeled as threefold, consisting of fire, water, and earth, or as fivefold, consisting of space, air, fire, water, and earth. The elements emerge successively from undifferentiated existence, at first in subtle forms. They then undergo a process of division and recombination, so that each element includes portions of the others, to evolve into the cause, i.e., perceptible, great elements, Mahabhutas. Perceptual objects are in fact derivative products that lack existence independent of these primary elements. These elements, however, do not constitute an elemental foundationalism, nor do they bottom out in an atomic foundationalism, because they are ultimately ontologically dependent on something else, namely pure existence, Brahman. Brahman is the non-dual ground underlying all objects, the single foundation, Adhisthana, on which the entire universe depends. All objects point back to this independent ground and possess no existence apart from it. Shankara argues that this foundational existence has no dependence on a second thing. It is self-established, irreducible, immutable, and free of space, time, and causation. According to Shankara, a corollary of his position on non-dual existence is that the world we perceive is less than real or illusory in some way in comparison to its ground. Though objects exist within existence, their forms are merely concepts that we represent with names. They are cognitive constructions. However, in Shankara's view, this construction is an epistemic error of attributing independent reality to objects, not an ontological subjective idealism of individuals mentally projecting the world. His commentary on, for example, affirms that we must assume perceptual realism and rejects Buddhist Yogacara idealism. By knowing non-dual existence, one knows the reality of all things in the universe, and recognizes their forms as merely names. The immediate epistemic recognition of one's consciousness as numerically identical with this ground of non-dual existence is Shankara's philosophical goal. This recognition is synonymous with liberation, moksha, and entails an absolute metaphysical wholeness by which the individual's mind is freed from psychological suffering.